Hi, I'm Clau. Welcome to AHEAD, the leading and most awarded tutorial and review center in the Philippines.
Well, I chose to review with AHEAD because I know that entering college is a crucial point in my life, and I don't think it would be right to risk it for anything less than the best, right? So I chose AHEAD. I really wanted to go to UP, and I took an AHEAD review, and I passed. I passed the UPCAT. Right now, I'm studying in the University of the Philippines, taking up BS Business Economics.
You're always very friendly, patient, and you're always there to give us advice and guidance. The tips they gave us were really useful in the college entrance exam. Like for example, they told us to follow the instructions carefully and to read them carefully. They also told us to make sure that we were answering the correct numbers and shading the correct boxes. They also told us to make sure that we had a good night's sleep the day before, to have a good meal before the exam, and they were also telling us to relax. And they gave us other tips like that really improved my composure and my attitude. Like Ma'am Porsche, who was my advisor, told me to relax, to stay calm, and to feel really confident that I could really do well during the exam. So I really felt ahead when I was taking the entrance exams because of all the advice that she gave me. And I'm really thankful to Ma'am Porsche and to AHEAD for everything that they've done for me.
Actually, before I decided to enroll my children in AHEAD, I made a few phone calls to different review schools. And what made me decide for AHEAD was the number of hours involved during the review. AHEAD offers around 70 hours, while the other schools offer less than 40 hours. And I thought, how can you learn so much in such a period of time? That's why I decided to go for AHEAD, and I'm very thankful for that.
We don't exactly know what comes out of college entrance exams, but with the help of the AHEAD and the lecturers, we are guided in being more prepared for the test. Or if some say that the test is based on stock knowledge, AHEAD lecturers were able to broaden my learning capabilities, especially on topics forgotten over the years. At the end of every session, we are given tips on what to do before the test. Their encouragement gave us the confidence to take the test with lesser anxiety.
At AHEAD, we get a personal approach. They see to it that we have a tutor we can relate to, one who gives us his undivided attention. With AHEAD, it's up close and personal, and it means a lot to us who need help with our academic work, whether it's to keep up or to stay ahead.
My tutor is nice, helpful, and he helps me understand my lesson. Kaya pala, kahit ang tawag nila. I have such a great time at this. About making new friends, just enjoying the learning experience. Ang saya pala talaga. I know what you mean. Ako rin nag-review sa AHEAD. Yung mga insights, yung mga tips ng mga lecturers, sobrang alaga ko talaga.
Not just a review. They also have summer enrichment classes. You can prepare for the next semester for the next school. It's a great way of staying ahead of the rest.
Iba yun naman ang AHEAD at Unilagon. Tutorials nila, you get the most compatible people. Up close and personal ba? So bakit ka ba pupunta sa iba? Mabait talaga ng mga tutors at staff. The best talaga.
Hi, I'm Katrina Felicia, and I chose to head to the Philippines Association. Listeners suggest thank all the results from One of the main hosts, Xavier
UP Montessori, and of course, their main acquisition students right across Miriam and Ateneo. Still, if you prefer home service, they can provide that. In addition to all that, the staff is really expensive. You were the best. Get ahead.
Hi, I'm Ryan Cruz of Ateneo. I chose AHEAD only because of its pattern reviews. Unlike others na comprehensive, wherein they review you on what you've learned. At AHEAD, they teach and review you on what's going to come out of the exam. Also, they prepare you for the test, test taking skills, time pressure, and strategy. You with the best.
And we have many friends in school, the teaching friends who do not use for me. Being an all-girls school, I believe it is important for students like me to expose themselves to different kinds of people. That is why I'm always glad that I choose to enroll in AHEAD.
Royalty-free music.
I have learned a lot. I have made many new friends, boys and girls alike. I had such a fun time in health review session. I wish every student would be able to experience all the good times I had.
In my opinion, review centers should have only one purpose, and that is to give you aspects of that you've taken up. I got that from my head because the lecturers were very efficient in questioning his purpose. Not only that, I was also introduced new topics that I was only able to take up in 4 years. Like, for example, I think I had did a great job. It really helped me a lot.
Because of AHEAD, I was able to find Ateneo in the house that we want to go to community college required to start a program AHEAD. At AHEAD, I learned a lot of things that I didn't learn in school. It is also great to
Hi friends. After the simulated exam, it helped me a lot because I got a glimpse of how the actual test will look in real life. It also helped me learn how to budget time and not be present. After that, I had an easy time preparing for the test. Other review centers may also have this, but what I experienced in AHEAD proves that it was different. See for yourself.
simulated exams should have taught me of what I've learned in high school. It gave me ideas on how to go about answering those questions during entrance examinations. My confidence was increased and doubts and tensions were lessened. Summing up all of those made me somewhat relaxed and easier wide open my mind to answer the questions one after the other. Knowing that I'm equipped with the techniques and know-how that I've learned from AHEAD, chances of passing the entrance exams are great. What can you say about AHEAD now? First of all, they come from the top 3 schools, UP, Ateneo, and LaSalle. This gives us more confidence in passing the test. And not only that, he gives the best tips on how to take the entrance test, as well as first-hand information on how to handle college life. Not only that, they're friendly and approachable. Since they're young, you can easily come to them and ask the question. Ateneo and LaSalle get more. Plus, you see to it that there's two-way interaction between students and the teacher. Things you need to know for the test. Yeah, less of us tackle the test, and they don't just their students. So, not only learn, but you get to have fun as well. Get the best out of both worlds. Here and AHEAD. See you with the best.
RoyaltyFreeMusic.com.
AHEAD's lectures prepared me not only by explaining the test items clearly, but also setting my mind with the right attitude towards test taking. They were very patient in dealing with the students and were well prepared in discussing the subject matter that was assigned to them. They gave us tips on test taking and even encouraged us to give the test our biggest shot. They also served as inspirations because they come from the very university we want to get into. My mom, she talked to me. Actually, my parents did, and they made me realize that college is coming up already, so I really have to prepare. So then we asked around what I should do to help me prepare, and then my friend said, and my relative said that I should go to review classes to help me. With the lessons that we've been having, I get the lessons and we have a lot of practice, and so I think it really helps me with my confidence.
RoyaltyFreeMusic.com.